Sometimes your pedals get a little bit hesitant or sticky on a skid steer. Today I'm going to address the most common and certainly the simplest thing that can be wrong with my pedals, and see if that's going to cure the stickiness or hesitancy or difficulty in applying pedal pressure and getting the boom to activate like I want it. Using a 15 millimeter bolt socket, I've got I think it is 8 bolts. I've got these two, one here, and normally there's 2 right here, but this one's been broke off, so I'll take this one out. All right, let's get these bolts out. Let me mention one other thing. As a carpenter who tries to fix some stuff occasionally on his own, and I don't claim to be a mechanic, you can fact check me. Anytime I give you any kind of medical video, mechanical video, medical too, you fact check it. Check it out for yourself. But when it comes to hydraulics and stuff, the first thing as an amateur, I have to check is the level of my hydraulic fluid. The thing I've found in running my backhoe for 25 years, if it becomes a little bit sluggish or unresponsive in the hydraulic features, then my hydraulic fluid may be low. And so I check that the first thing. But on your skid steer there, your fluids level is good and you know it's good, and your pedals are sticking, try that little bit of advice there. Put some good lube on there. And I like that lube I was showing you. It seems to stay on there, you know, and wet and all kinds of different conditions. That spray-on lithium grease, that's why I use it on the backhoe as well. So anyway, hope this little tip may be something you can try. If you are like me, you try to save $1 where you can and work on what you got and keep her running smooth. Have a great